Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a long-lasting liquid air freshener. First, gather your materials. You'll need 1 cup of distilled water, 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, and about 20 to 30 drops of your favorite essential oils. Also, have on hand 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin and a clean, empty spray bottle. These simple items are all you need to create a delightful and enduring scent for your home, saving you money and allowing for custom fragrances. Now, let's start mixing our base solution. Carefully pour 1 cup of distilled water into your chosen spray bottle. Distilled water is preferred as it prevents mineral buildup and keeps your mixture clear. Next, add 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. The alcohol acts as a carrier, helping the essential oils blend seamlessly with the water and evaporate more effectively, ensuring a fine mist when sprayed. Give the bottle a gentle swirl to thoroughly combine these 2 foundational liquids. This is where your air freshener truly comes to life with fragrance. Add 20 to 30 drops of your chosen essential oils directly into the bottle. Feel free to experiment with different scents. Popular choices include citrus, floral, or woody notes. For that long-lasting effect, incorporate 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. This ingredient is key as it helps to bind the essential oil molecules, allowing the beautiful aroma to linger in your space for several hours after each spray. Secure the cap tightly. To ensure your air freshener remains effective, remember a few simple tips. Always give the bottle a gentle shake before each use to redistribute the essential oils and glycerin. Store your finished product in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, which can degrade the essential oils over time. When using, spray a fine mist into the air or lightly onto fabrics like curtains or upholstery from about 12 inches away. Enjoy your custom, long-lasting fresh scent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.